Hello guys, you are welcome to another video tutorial where we'll be showing you how to convert Excel to Vcard contact. Vcard or visual contact is a standard file format for electronic business card. It is used to transmit or exchange personal information such as name, address, telephone numbers, email address, company name, etc. You can easily import or export contacts in thousands in just one click. Okay, in our previous video we actually generated 10,000 numbers. If you have not seen that video, you can check on the description below. I have that there. Okay, so we just want to convert those numbers we generated to Vcard. We'll use the first row as the first name. Okay, first name. Then the second row will be last name, while the third row would be the telephone number. You can just type in number. Okay, and then we'll now go right to the number we generated in our previous video, which is this for USA. We'll now copy the numbers. All right, copy this number to column C, paste it here. Okay, then we can just add a name here. Let's say Gilbert. Okay, then the first name we can say Benson Gilbert. Okay, let me just Benson 1. All right, then let me copy this to the next one. The next now I'll change this. This is just for example. Okay, so I'll add to it, then and then I'll just make this all Gilbert. Okay, then this I will have to add 1 2 to it just to have a number at the front to differentiate the names. Okay, so if you go to the bottom, you can find that will have 10,000 here. Okay, so next you want to save this. Okay, save. Let's save it to the desktop, and let's say USA 10K2. Okay, then I'll save this and then open the software. Here is the software, which you can also find in the description below this video. So I'll just select browse. Okay, and this is what we want to convert, 10K2. Okay, open, just click next. Then you can see it has already selected the first column, so that's first name. So the Vcard field, you have to select first name as well. First name. Okay, then you add. Next you select the last name. Okay, that's last name, and then you also add. Lastly, you select the number and then look for business telephone number. You select this and then click next. Okay, then you have to check this very box where you have single Vcard file for all contacts, so that all your contacts can be on a single Vcard. Then you click convert. Alright, once the process is successful, you click on yes, and the Vcard we just converted will open. You can see we have a single Vcard here where all the 10,000 contacts are contained. So I will have to open this by right clicking on it and open with Notepad to check if what I've done so far is okay. Alright, you can see I have the name Gilbert Benson and you have the number there too. Okay, so you are just going to close this and then connect your phone and copy this. So I'll copy to my phone. Let me connect my phone. Okay, this is my phone. So I will paste it inside this contact folder. All right, I'm going to delete this and then paste this new one. All right, I have this in my phone now. So next I'm going to import those numbers to my mobile phone. Okay, this is my WhatsApp, and what I have in my WhatsApp as at this moment is 4,894 contacts. So let's go ahead and import those contacts to my mobile phone. I will just click on it, then click on contact, and then click on just one. Then you can click on your phone to import to your phone. I don't want to import them to my email address. So if you scroll down, for instance, you can see importing. All right, and once this process is completed, you just go right back to your contacts these are my contacts, then I will now search for Gilbert. You can see I have all the numbers in my phone. So to confirm it, you go to your WhatsApp. So if you go back to your WhatsApp, for instance, it will take some time to load all the contact. You can see we already have 5,300 and it's still loading. So you give it some time to load all the contact you just imported to the phone. Okay, and also you can send a message to confirm the authenticity of the phone numbers. Okay, now let's just search for Gilbert. So let me select this and just say hi. You can see it has delivered. That means the numbers are valid. So there are so many numbers that are going to be loaded into your phone after a while. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.